بناوی خوای گەورە و میهرەبان خوشک و برایانی خۆشەویست لە پێشەوە پیرۆزبای ئەم ڕۆژە مێژووینە لە خەڵکی ئەم شارە مێژووینە دەکەم بە تایبەتی لە لاوەکان
بەردی بناغەی زانکۆی ئەمریکی لە سلێمانیدا هەندێت
زۆر گەورە نەک تەنها بۆ کوردستان نە تەنها بۆ شاری سلێمانی بەڵکو بۆ هەموو عێراقیش.
The American University was a dream. Fortunately, a dream that came true. I myself was educated at a UK university. My children were educated in the United States, and I understand well that education is key to the future. Our part of the world need not be condemned to the cycle of instability and violence and bad governments.
Well, the AUIS was a unique model, introduced a whole new approach to higher education in the region in terms of its culture, its management structure, its focus on quality, but importantly investing in the talents of young Iraqis and enhancing their leadership qualities.
I was one of the first students of the first cohort of American University students, and I have studied business administration as a major and economics as a minor, which gave me enough skills to be a good employee at my department in this competitive world, because you have to deal with a lot of different people. But I also don't have problem in that side as well, because I have also interacted with many different people from different cultures at my university.
The university started long ago as an idea, and we were involved in the early beginning of this idea to have a point of connection for all Iraqis, that be a tool for interaction.
Education is at the heart of any development program, is at the heart of any hope for a better future for this part of the world. That's why, together with many friends, we launched this university, and I was blessed with the support of many leaders of the country, of the Iraqi government, of definitely the Kurdistan regional government, as well as the support of the United States government, Italian government, and many supporters in the private sector.
The diversity that they have introduced, they recruit from a whole variety of different backgrounds across Iraq and Kurdistan, and they create an environment that really is conducive to helping these young talents to become professionals who would eventually lead the labor market and make a big impact as they go along. We already feel their impact by their level of employability, their proficiency in English language as well as obviously Kurdish, and you can see how the university is becoming a prime target for those who graduate in their secondary schools.
And you are now have made AUIS a big part of your life. Thank you very much.
This has not been easy. Had it not been for the dedication of our faculty, of our staff, and also the commitment of our students, who are truly the best investment that we have had, and that we could really reflect back on with great pride and great hope for a better future. This is intended to be a catalyst for reforming the higher education sector in Kurdistan and in Iraq, and it all starts with a dream, but at the end of the day, making it happen and turning it into a reality, and hopefully a decade from now we will see graduates of this university in key places in the private sector, in the civil society, in government, working together with other citizens of this land to making sure that our future is different from our past.